We interrupt this program to bring you an important news announcement. Well, not that important to you guys, because since you're not Legos. Our friend Sam is stuck in Alaska. We just contacted him from the police. If you see Sam, contact the police immediately. If you see him, please contact the police or us. Our phone number is... Hey guys, how's it going? Now, Sam, we're trying to find Sam. So, anyway... This program is over. And why not? I need a nap. Go back to your recent program. Noah, take Scampers to the vet. To get his flu shot. Man, I wonder what's in that little guy's mind. Appadoodles, I gotta go get my flu shot? No, not again. I'm guessing that... Hey, guess what? I think they're actually trying to infect me. How do I... Hey, maybe if I jump off a cliff and commit suicide... Oh, yes, let me get out of this house and get on a cliff. No, this isn't gonna work. I must... The only other way is to hide. That's a good idea. Let me find a few hiding spots. No, behind all these pillows, no. Get me out of here. This is way too obvious. Well, I can't go under the couch, that's for sure. No, I can't hide under the blankie. Where should I hide next? Oh my God, the bathtub. Oh, hi, buddy. I'm just gonna go hide in the bathtub to not get my flu shot. Good luck, dude. I already got my flu shot. He's really looking for you. No one's really looking for you. Along with Joey. They're looking around the house. They looked under the couches. They looked under the pillows, the blankets. Oh boy. So they're all the spots I hid in. Well, that's good, because they're looking at all the spots. Now where should I go? I got it. What was my previous one? The bathtub, that's it. In the bathtub. No, he'll probably go in here to go party. Someone get me out of here. Help! Hey! No, actually, does this I like watching this. Aw, man. Okay, get back in there, Scampers. Actually, yes. I got a trick up my sleeves. Okay, yes, Scampers. That's a good hiding spot. Go back in it. Someone get me out of here! My arms are tired! Help me! Yeah, I actually like you being tortured.